It is such a beautiful day outside. I should definitely go on a hike, and I don't want to go alone. It's the perfect time to use TagAlong Events to create a hiking event and invite 3 other people to join me. Now that my event is published, everything looks great. The public view is only showing general information like city and time of day so that random people don't try to crash my hike. Let's see if anyone asks to join.
I love that I can view events quickly on these small tiles, or click to view and scroll through the full page events. It gives me the option to ask to join or out to remove it from my feed.
I think I want to learn a little bit more about the host before I go on a hike in the woods with her. Okay, looks like she's an intermediate artist and a beginner videographer, so I think we're gonna get along really great. Definitely asking to join.
Yeah, I totally want to join.
I'm a brunch girl.
Ooh, this looks fun. I hope she lets me in. Oh!
Hiking? Nah, more of a gym person.
Oh man, I'd love a summit hike. I hope the host invites me.
Wow, I've gotten so many TagAlong requests. I'm going to look through their profiles and see which 3 are going to be the best fit for my hike. Ooh, this girl looks like she and I could be besties. I'm gonna invite her.
Yes, I'm invited.
Here are the details.
Now I can see the top secret event details, the detailed address, the details of the date and time, the event details, and I can message the host. I need to check with the host to check and see if we're gonna be back by 5 before I officially commit. Great, I'll officially commit.
Right.
Yes!
I commit.
Invite.
I don't know.
Mike, I invited you 2 days ago. You're holding a spot. I'm adding a commitment countdown timer. He needs to either commit or lose the spot so I can find someone else.
I don't know. If something better comes along, why can't I just be a maybe and just show up on the day?
Time's up. Plenty of other interested people. Now that Mike is no longer holding a spot, I can invite Emily.
Sweet! I got invited. I am new to this area and I need some new hiking buddies. Yes! Commit! Woo! Hey, new hiking buddy.
I'm so excited. I
Yay!
never hiked with you
I'm so
guys.
excited! New buddies!
All right, guys, let's go on our hike. TagAlong is a new app that can help you connect with people nearby. Search TagAlong Events in the app stores to download the app. Do something you love and invite someone to tag along.